there.
How do you know if it's... Oh, go. Now start again.
Right. Jenny's just learning how to video. I've just been doing this for 3 minutes and it's getting a bit fluffier. This is the sugar and the butter, flour. Got another 2 minutes to go. As you can see, doing it the old-fashioned way, Phil. No food mixer here. There's a lot of love and care going into this for the team.
Set sail for seas of passion now.
Right, now this is the tricky bit. This is a skillful bit. This is where I'm folding the flour, folding the eggs into that butter and sugar mix. And this is very difficult because if it goes curdly, you have to put a bit of flour in because you don't want it to curdle. Now, like you can see, this is getting light and fluffier. Time for a little bit more egg. And this is what takes the time, and this is what makes a nice cake. Now this is folded. You've got to fold this yolk into the mixture. What are you doing? Get that flour. All that's got done now is got to add the lemons in. There's 1.5 lemon and or the juice of 1.5 lemons. Now this is ladies better look away here because I'm squeezing me lemons. That's 1.5. And that's the last bit. Right. We'll see you in phase 3. You want a full video, Phil? I know it's getting boring. I've greased the tin, put the greaseproof paper in. Now put the cake mix in there. Now the greaseproof paper is held there. That's a little dabs of cake just to keep it in the right place while you put this in. So I think you get the idea of that. Now this is for people that haven't made a cake before. Pete, for 45 minutes. So we'll come back to that then. Now we've got to do the coconut cake. Now this is what it should look like when it comes out the oven. The drizzle is just lemon juice and caster sugar drizzled over the top. So marks out of 10, please.
I do need to sift the flour in, Barry.
Yeah,
bit at a time. No, all that flour that's in there, love.
Oh, all that. All this?
Yeah. Gradually. I'm going to put the egg in then, love.
No, it's just too runny.
Right, more flour. No, more flour. Be here all day. Barry, you're getting it all over the bricktop. What do you think, Leah?
More egg.
I thought you had all the egg in there. You should have had all the egg in first.
All of it in one go, I don't want it curd.
No,
I'll do a bit at a time.
No, oh, come on.
It's going in the oven at 145 degrees for...
160 degrees.
Sorry, 160 degrees